Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you expert beauty reviews, insights, and honest opinions. Today, we're diving into the Venxis Hair Straightener Brush with Steam, a unique tool designed to give you salon-quality hair at home. Let's see if this straightener is all it's cracked up to be. This Venxis Hair Straightener Brush is designed with a steam feature to help tackle dry, frizzy, and damaged hair. The steam helps open the hair cuticle, allowing moisture and nutrients to deeply penetrate the hair, ultimately making your strands softer, shinier, and healthier. It promises smooth, straight hair in minutes. Let's see if it can deliver. First, let's talk about the design. The Venxis Straightener Brush uses 3D comb teeth with double-layer insulation and heat-resistant materials like PBT for the comb teeth and PET for the insulating shell. This thoughtful design reduces the chances of scalp burns or snagging on hair while providing a smoother straightening experience. Plus, it's not just functional, it's also pretty comfortable to use, making the whole process feel like a breeze. Now, when it comes to actual performance, the brush heats up in 20 to 30 seconds, which is incredibly fast, especially if you're someone who's always in a rush. I've tested this during both morning and evening routines, and it consistently delivers on its promise of fast styling. It straightens hair with minimal effort and doesn't drag or pull. The steam feature is especially interesting. It releases a gentle mist that helps hydrate your hair as you style, reducing the damage usually caused by dry heat. I've noticed that my hair feels much softer and looks shinier after using this. However, it's not all perfect. While the steam feature is a nice touch, I found that it can leave a slight damp feeling on the hair for a short time after use. This can be a little annoying if you're in a rush, but the results are worth it. The 3 adjustable heat settings cater to different hair types, which is great for customization, but they could have added a higher heat setting for those with very thick or coarse hair. Still, the range works well for most hair types. Let's get into the pros and cons. Pros: steam design helps hydrate and repair dry hair while styling. Fast heating, ready to use in 20 to 30 seconds, saving you time. 3 adjustable heat settings, ideal for different hair types. User-friendly, the brush is easy to handle and reduces hair pulling. Cons: slight dampness. The steam can leave your hair a little moist after styling. Limited high heat. The highest setting may not be hot enough for thicker hair types. Cleaning. Although the brush is easy to clean, the steam chamber requires more maintenance than a regular straightener. When it comes to value for money, this straightener offers a great combination of features. With the steam function, fast heating, and user-friendly design, the price is justified, especially for those with dry or frizzy hair who want something that not only straightens but also nourishes. However, if you have very thick hair and need a tool that gets hotter, you might want to look elsewhere. If you're considering alternatives, the Revlon One-Step Hairdryer and Volumizer is a popular choice that's also reasonably priced, though it doesn't include the steam feature. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative, you could try a basic straightening brush that lacks the steam function but still does the job. However, if you're after a combination of hydration and heat styling, this Venxis brush stands out. The build quality of the Venxis Hair Straightener Brush is solid. The materials feel durable, and the double-layer insulation on the comb teeth ensures you won't burn your scalp. Plus, it includes an auto shut-off feature after 30 minutes, which is a great safety measure, especially for those who tend to forget about their devices. As for longevity, the product seems well made and, with proper care, should last a good while. The easy cleaning process helps ensure it keeps functioning well for a long time. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching today's review of the Venxis Hair Straightener Brush with Steam. If you've tried this product or have any thoughts, drop a comment below. Let us know your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.